Today I'm going to show you how to convert RGB to CMYK in Affinity Designer. This is essential when preparing your designs for professional printing, as most print shops require files in CMYK color mode to ensure accurate color reproduction. First, launch Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the application opens, you can either open your existing file or create a new one to work with. The conversion process works the same regardless of which option you choose. Now let's move to the conversion itself. Look at the upper left toolbar where you'll find the document menu. Click on Document, and from the drop-down that appears, select Setup. This will open a new window where you can access various document configuration options. Within this window, click on Document Setup to proceed to the main settings panel. In the Document Setup window, you'll need to locate the Color Format section. This is where you'll make the actual conversion from RGB to CMYK. Once you've found it, look to the bottom of this section where you'll see a drop-down menu right beside the color format option. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal the available color space options. From the drop-down menu, select CMYK/8. This sets your document to use the CMYK color space with 8-bit color depth, which is the standard format for print production. After making this selection, click OK to apply the changes to your document. It's important to note that some bright RGB colors may appear duller in CMYK because the CMYK gamut is smaller. This is completely normal and happens because CMYK has a more limited range of colors compared to RGB. The vibrant colors you see on screen in RGB mode simply can't always be reproduced using the 4 CMYK ink colors used in printing. If you notice certain colors looking less vivid after conversion, this is why, and it's actually showing you a more accurate representation of how your design will look when printed. Your document is now converted to CMYK and ready for professional printing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.